If you are a person who can't speak bad about yourself, then you will be a person who can't speak bad about others. That's how things work. First you are the priority, and then others, right? Hi guys, I hope and pray that you all are doing fine. I know it's been a long time. I was not there, I was not shooting a video, I was not uploading a video, I was not even taking Clappingo sessions or Ace Fluency sessions because I was actually busy somewhere and I was trying to figure out few things. And in this process I have realized that there are few things you always need to remember and you always need to keep in your mind. I know there are so many people out there who are trying to buckle up or who are trying to figure out something or the other in their life, and I thought my experience or whatever I have learned in this short span of time would definitely help you guys. So here I am just trying to express few things because I don't know whether you have noticed or not, but I always try to make videos where I can share my experience about life, about learnings, along with, of course, English speaking videos. So this video is a part of that series only, and what I really want to share is you are very strong, you are very important. Please never underestimate yourself because no one can replace you. And if you're feeling down or if you feel down in any phase of life, you just need to sit back for some time and remember few things. I have noted down few points like what I did and what helped me really. So what I really want to tell you here is do what makes you happy. Yes, no matter if you are angry, if you are sad, if you don't know what to do, if you're not trying, if you fail to figure out what to do next, do what makes you happy. Trust me, if you're doing what makes you happy, you will definitely reach to the point where you will realize, okay, this is the thing I want to do for the lifetime, because you are happy. There is nothing you are picking up that thing in frustration or in pressure. It is, you are very happy, your mind is stable, and that's why you're taking that decision. Okay, so please do what makes you happy. All right, like I am doing right now, I am making this video because this is making me happy. All right, second one is, if it feels wrong, don't do it. Yeah, sometimes what happens, you try to do things what makes you happy. Like for me, night out. Yeah, like if I'm in my hometown in my Nagpur and my friends ask me for night out, I would like to do that because that will make me happy. But on the other hand, I won't do it. I don't do it actually. I don't go out in night because I don't think it's right. My parents don't like it, and this is the thing which is not going to benefit me anyway, right? So what's the meaning of it? This is just a small example, but there are so many things which you feel can make you happy, but you don't feel this is right. So you need to understand very thin line about these two things. Okay, so understand it and do what makes you happy, but don't do what you feel is not right. All right, let's move. Say exactly what is on your mind. Don't beat around the bush. Yes, because what happens, you try to make other people happy, you try to pretend, you try to understand other people's feeling, and in this situation you can't speak your heart out, you can't speak what's in your mind. So it's better be blunt, be fearless, and speak whatever coming in your mind. All right, then trust your intuition. Yes, intuition is something, your superpower. If you are a human being, you are blessed with a superpower which is called intuition. If your intuition is saying don't do it, don't do it. If your intuition is saying this person is right for you, be with that person, spend time, try to understand. Just trust your intuition and try to take steps accordingly. It is definitely gonna help you, because it always helps me. Alright, now the next thing is, never speak bad about others. I know, like growing up we have heard it so much that किसी के बारे में बुरा मत बोलो. Yeah, it's right. You should not say anything bad about others, because that is not going to help you. That is just an entertainment for some time. Like you're bitching about others, and you got a topic to talk about them. But I think instead of gossiping, you can talk about something which is going to help you, like current affairs, or you can praise others. That is also a good thing, right? So don't say bad, no. And on top of that, my next point is, never say bad about yourself. This is something this is something no one told us, like growing up, but I think this is very crucial. If you are a person who can't speak bad about yourself, then you will be a person who can't speak bad about others. That's how things work. First you are the priority, and then others, right? Okay, next point is, don't be afraid to say no. Yeah, I mean, it's very common. You must have heard it many a times. Say no if you're not comfortable. Don't say yes just to make other people happy. So yeah, I believe in it, and I also think you should say no if you don't want to do anything. Don't just try to be in a dilemma. Don't just try to put yourself in a problematic situation, like you're saying yes to everybody and you're not able to manage things. So don't do it. Don't complicate things around you. Just keep it simple. As I always say, keep it simple. But my last point is very important, right? And this is contrary to my current point, that is, don't be afraid to say yes. This is, I think, new invention. I think here in this whole video I have invented few things, and I have added here in this video, because this is something no one tells you, but I have figured out by myself and I thought of sharing. So yes, don't be afraid to say yes if you are saying no, or you are taking a back step, because what will your parents say, what will people say, what if it doesn't work out and all. You don't even try, and you don't even say yes to whatever opportunity coming your way, right? But take a risk. The results can be unbelievable. The results can be overwhelming. Yeah, if you say yes, if you try, if you take a risk, if you just give a push to yourself little bit, things can work out enormously. Okay, so don't be afraid to say yes. Say yes for things which you think you can do. Okay, and try a little bit. Let me know if there is something you really want to do from your heart, but for the sake of some rubbish stereotypes, you're not even trying it. Just change your mindset right away and say yes and do it. You won't regret it. Trust me, you won't. Alright guys, that's it for the day. I was happy today, and that's why I thought of shooting this video. There is nothing planned, but yes, I have definitely noted down few points, and few are new, so I'm sure it is gonna help you. Let me know if there is something I missed or I did not say it correctly. I would love to hear from you. I would like to read your comments. Now I think I'll be regular, so next video will be coming soon. Meanwhile, just enjoy this video, and thank you so much for being there always. Happy learning.